Everyone, I am Pushpa. In this video, we are going to see how to set units. After opening the AutoCAD, we will be seeing this type of user interface. So this one is the application button, and here are the files, and this one is also known as quick access toolbars, and this one is the ribbon area. These are the file tabs, and these are the layout tabs. This one is the command line or palette. These are the toggle bars. These are the navigation bars, and this one is the coordinates of the drawing area. This one is the UCS. And in drawing area, we draw or design any component. In 3D, we design the components, and in this, as it is a drafting area, we as a civil engineer, we draw the plans and some of the components. So first of all, by opening the AutoCAD, we have to set the units. For setting the units, we have to enter the UN, enter in command line. UN enter. After entering the UN enter, we will be seeing this type of drawing units dialog box. In this, we have to provide our required unit. So generally we will be using architectural and engineering. So for civil engineering we generally use architectural or engineering. Or if it is mechanical or electrical engineering, we will be mostly using decimal or fractional. So first, if we have clicked the architecture, we will be seeing it precision as 0 feet or 0 inches like this. And we have to set the units to scale inserted content as inches or feet. If we have selected decimal, we have to select the precision. In decimal, we will be providing millimeter or centimeter or kilometer like this. So we have to select millimeters, centimeters or meters or kilometers. I am selecting millimeters. And now if we have selected engineering, then we will be getting the units in feet or inches. So then we have to set here as feet or inches. I am selecting as inches. If we have selected fractional value, we have to select it is an millimeter, centimeter or meter, kilometer. I am selecting meter or centimeter. This scientific unit we will not be using in any way. So generally we will be using architectural, engineering or decimal. These three we will be using more. According to our use, we can take any one. So let us make this engineering 0, 0. Here change it as inches. After clicking this one is the angle. Angle we want in decimal degrees, or we want in degree, minutes and seconds, or gradients or radians or surveyor's unit. We generally use angles in decimal degree only. So after setting all this, click on OK. If we take line command now, let us take here. So let us measure this one, linear one, from this point to this point. So we have only changed the length units. We haven't changed any dimension units. So for this we will be going to For this, we have to enter enter. So here we can see one dialog box, dimension style manager. So after giving the units to the length, we have to give the length units to that one style. Okay. So click on modify. So here we will be seeing another dialog box called modify dimension style standard for lines. This one is the line weight. Okay. Color, we can change it any color. Let us do white. So baseline spacing, this one is the okay. And now symbols and arrow size. If we want to increase the arrow size, we have to click here. And if we want center marks, click here, or we can select none. Will be okay. Now text style will be in standard mode, and it will be vertically centered, horizontally centered, and direction will be from left to right. Text alignment will be in horizontal or aligned with the dimension line. We have this one is the dimension line. If our unit is showing in along the dimension line, it will be easier. It will give us the preview here. We can always check it. So we will put it as only horizontal. Okay. Here comes the primary units. Unit format. So firstly we have selected the engineering. Same as it is, we can select here. Precision, this one. Okay. Angular dimensions is decimal degrees. Click on OK. So here we can see. Click on set current, close. So here we can see our dimension in engineering format, that is imperial. Our line drawn has the units in engineering like feet and inches. This line length is 4 feet 6 inches. Thank you. If you have liked this video, please share, subscribe and comment below. Thank you.